Alright, I got a couple more things to show you in this video, and then I think you'll have everything you need to do the family website project. Just remember on the family website project, and there's so many things that you can look up on your own. Just basically anything that comes to your mind, there's a way to do it, and just make sure you're searching good. So I just did a couple little changes to the website. So now here's the elephant one, and then here's our little pig one or whatever. Now, I know how to link between my websites, but I just want to make sure I can link to other websites as well. So let's take a look here, and I want to figure out what I want to link. Well, if I want to link this one, I can link an image, or I could link text. So if in my section, right, I have that picture of that elephant, and then this is that horizontal line. I want to include some text. I'll just call it whatever, P, and say this is a very happy elephant. Okay. One thing I want to show you real quick before we even do any of the linking is when you have this. So I have that that text, right? This is a very happy elephant. If I want to bring that down just a little bit, I can use this thing called a break. Right? Now a break is like a horizontal line, but you can like add like a a couple of them, and that'll give me a little bit of space in between. So you can see now this is a very happy elephant is like spaced down. That's good if you have like multiple paragraphs or things like that you want to kind of just give a little bit of room in between. So what I want to do is I want to link this somewhere. Right? So once again, I'm going to use that anchor tag, and I'm going to just surround it on both sides, right? Like this. And it knows that now this image is going to send me somewhere. So I need to figure out where I want it to send it. Right? And in here, you're just going to put the URL, right? So if you want to go to YouTube and do like, I don't know, yeah, sure. Any of these videos. You just steal the URL and pop it in on there, and now when I open up my website, you can see my mouse changes when I'm there, and I can click, and I'm off to YouTube. Right? There's a different way to do that where it's embedded into your website, and I would encourage you to play around with that. So in the embedded version, instead of clicking on the elephant and it taking me to the YouTube, there would just be like a little window to YouTube right here, and I could just click play, and I would never leave the site. I can also do that with text, just the same way. So I can do, ooh, I forgot to close down my P tag. Not good, Noner. And I want to close this down. And in the same way, I can do like this. Now, I can also have this go to a file on my computer. So, sorry, I had to pause real quick there to get an actual PDF that I wanted to use. So here's a PDF. This is just a worksheet I have for algebra. And I want to attach it, so maybe if they click the text, this PDF will show up. Get out of my way. This PDF will show up. So the first thing is I would create a new folder. Basically, all we want in the main level of our folder are the HTMLs, right? So like we're gonna have like our images, our documents on one side for our HTML files to go into. So if I want to go in here and I want to connect to inside the docs folder, there's Adams Brothers. And this is from the elephant page. So from the elephant page, it needs to go into the docs one. So my first step is docs. And then inside, once I get in there, it's Adams bro.pdf. Okay. So let's see how that worked. No, did I misspell something? Please be that I misspelled something. Adams, bro. I'll problem solve real quick. I'll be right back. I definitely misspelled something. Adams, bro, and Adam, bros. Be real embarrassing if it doesn't work a second time. All right. Well, it knows it should be linked. Click it, pull it up. Roger. Okay, good. So just careful spelling and you'll do just fine. All right. Thank you for watching. So one of the things I forgot previously in the video, so I'm making a little addendum here, is when we have our website. So right now this is just our basic website. Let's open it with Sublime. Sorry. So here is my the page. I'm gonna add a couple things inside this head area. Now remember, the head is not the header. The head is just the kind of stuff that goes on behind the scenes of a website. So one of the things I want to do is type in this line of code. So what it is it's going to provide a path for an image. In this case, it's tiger.jpg, which is just this little picture of this tiger I downloaded from the internet. Okay, so it's going to show up in a kind of weird spot in the website. Like I said, the head is not inside the website. And then we also want to do this, this code right here, a way to make a title. And so we're going to do this, animals of all sorts. And let's see where this text and where this picture appear. So when I go now open up my website, if you take a look around for a little bit, you will find that that picture of that tiger is up here, and the animals of all sorts is the text for the tab. And most every website has this. Like if you just go to like ESPN or whatever, you can see they have like a little font, and if it ever loads, they should have a picture there. Yeah. So anyway, cool. Enjoy coding.